Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ManyChat to Make.com. All right, so first up, open up your ManyChat account as well as your Make.com account or scenario. Okay, once you're in here, under ManyChat, just click on Settings in the left panel. Now go to scroll all the way down and click on API. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go and scroll up, and here we have the API key. So go ahead and generate your API key and make sure that you have the Pro plan, okay? As you won't be able to generate right here if you're just using the free account, okay? As you can see here. So generate your API key and you'll be able to see it right here. Just copy it, okay? Copy it from here, go to your Make.com, open up the module, which is ManyChat, of course, right here. Click on it. The trigger would be what? Watch incoming data or just actions, okay? So just for example, send a flow or send a text, just for example, okay? Now go ahead and click on create connection. Now it says here connection name. Just leave it to my ManyChat connection and paste the API right here or the access token. Paste it right here and then hit on save. And after that, both accounts is now connected. That is it. That's how you connect ManyChat to Make.com. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.